Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug. It's Monday, sort of running late. Today we're going to use the bell end razor, Gillette. I suppose it's pretty much a single ring, but with just a different end to it. I like them. They look pretty cool. Today we're splashing out, going with an expensive shave soap that I'm sure some of you know. I'm not sure how many people use it because it is expensive. This is my homemade tin, and Check and Speak, Oxford and Cambridge. I think it's triple milled. I know a lot of people talk about triple mill as the holy grail of soap. And I can tell you one thing, it does lather up nicely. And you don't have to work it hard either. Usually I've just lathered off the puck, but today I just used a 20-cent piece to scrape some off the top. I can tell you the soap is quite a hard puck. Maybe it's just because it's a little bit old, I don't know, but it doesn't matter anyway. It's still producing an excellent lather. I'm using a Derby Premium blade. And it's on its second shave. Sorry about last week, it just all went pear-shaped, to be honest with you. It's a public holiday on the Thursday. I got home Wednesday night and I just moved into weekend mode, like it was a Friday evening. And I thought, oh, well, the next day I was like, oh, the unboxing. I thought, oh, well, I'll do a shave video Friday. And Friday came around and I ended up being squeezed for time to do a shave video. So I thought, oh, I'll just do the unboxing on the Friday for this week. I do have a Boo Shop story for you, just a small one. That I'll talk about in the next pass. I am endeavouring to go for a 2-pass shave today. And it's something that you can do with this razor. Actually, I feel like going 3-pass. Just because the soap deserves it, because it's that bloody expensive. You're looking at around 40 to 50 Australian dollars for just the puck by itself. As I've mentioned before, you can get a milled aluminium tin, or bowl I should say, with lid, which sets you back, I think it's about 250 with the soap. Looks beautiful though, but you know, it's the domain of the man with a little bit of money. You're a lucky fella who gets spoilt by his wife or girlfriend. So anyway, last week, pretty sure it was last week, early last week, we had an old fella come into the shop, probably well into his 70s. I think he's a bit of a small-time hoarder, from what he was saying. And he said, yeah, my sister caught a bus down this morning and helped me clean up some of my place and get rid of stuff. Oh, yeah, at least he understands, he knows. He knows his sister's just trying to do the right thing. No animosity. A couple of little nicks. Actually more than a couple. Anyway, he's come in. It's been a big afternoon for him, big day. Had the sister there. It's time for a few beers. I think he got beer. A few long necks. And I looked at this fella when he walked in, and I think, you just got to be joking me. Like, he had these pair of tracky dacks on, like something you'd, well, no. You know, we all got a pair of tracky dacks. We whack them on, we hang around the house. Just something to relax in. Doesn't matter if they get a bit dirty. There's no rush to clean them. I get it. No worries. But this fella, these should have been thrown out about, 10 years ago. They had rips in one leg, like a couple of big rips, right near his block and tackle. And instead of just throwing them out, because, a pair of just basic, cheap as chips tracky dacks just cost a few bucks. They cost nothing, $10 or something. But this guy, he's got the safety pins out. He's gone the full punk, holding them all together. I was thinking, oh, God. It must be a hard afternoon for his sister as well. Man, I get it. Don't want to throw things away, but they must have one hell of a sentimental value to keep that up. You had to see it to believe it. That's all I can say. But that's the booze game. You get all sorts. To Allen Block or not to Allen Block? Surprised the Derby Premiums cut me up so much. Alright, so that was a good shave. Pretty sure Men's Biz, Australian shaving website, or just a gents website really. No, I'm not anyway affiliated, but they're just a good website to shop on if you're in the market. So it comes in just a, wow. Try and act pretty cool after dropping that. Don't know if there was any way back. Oh, I meant that. So it just comes wrapped in like paper. So yeah, you need a container. Maybe if you've got an old soap container from another shave soap you use, just pop it in that. I also have a tester. EDC. I don't know what that means. Or there. Anyway, that's the matching perfume for it, which I'll try in a sec. I will throw this on the face. Yeah, cut up. Don't know what that's all about. So I hope to get everything back on track. In a few weeks' time I'll be in Melbourne, so I will endeavour to do a shave video. I'm staying in Carlton, so if you don't know about Melbourne, Carlton's sort of centre. Bit bourgeois, I think. Got Lygon Street, chock-a-block full of restaurants, but you know, they're just those, I don't want to offend anyone, but just chock-a-block of those generic Italian and Asian restaurants. You know, there's nothing, they're just there to feed the masses. You know, I love Italian, I love Asian, don't get me wrong, but, and there's time for everything. But I think if you're going to have a street full of them, like, get in there, get something different going, get something more arty going. If you're from Melbourne or you know Melbourne well, tell me where around the city good restaurants to eat. That's what I want to know. And good cafes. Melbourne's known for their coffee culture, so it'd be great to check out. I'll let you know more when I get closer to it. Alright, let's try a quick spray of this and check it out. Okay. Interesting. Pretty sure it says on here floral. And I'd say it is, with a bit of a honey tone to it. That's quite nice, quite sophisticated. Yeah, it'd be really good on a date night or if you're in the office. Very nice. Very nice. I'll look up more of the scent profile. I should have done that before the shave, and I might just jot it down in the description, but that is very nice. Okay, I better run. Wednesday unboxing, I'll get it right this week, and then another shave on Friday. Then we go into the October long weekend here in Australia, so Saturday, Sunday, Monday off. I've definitely got Sunday, Monday off anyway, so that's nice, very nice. Okay, people, take care, and we'll catch you during the week. Ciao for now.